Keith!
Stay down. We want to hurt no one. We're here for the bank's money, not your money. Your money's insured by the federal government. You're not going to lose a dime. Think of your families. Don't risk your life. Don't try and be a hero.
Be young.
Right now, I want you to sit on the floor and put your hands on your head. Anybody feel sick? Anybody got heart trouble? Go ahead and lean against the wall.
Study these slightest movements. They tell her get antsy, hold her for ransom. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. I'm here for a rapid transaction. Just give me the bands and I'ma advance. Ain't really got time for all of that playing. The quicker we do this, the quicker I'm moving. Girl, please don't be stupid. My hand on this book of the technical strap. The man hand on black, I'm ready to clap. Anyone talking about getting between my funds, we hit the trap. A sudden commotion, then I look over. A bowl of the soldier tucking his holster. Now it's like over. Damn, it's crazy how his body's shaking. 2 more shots to the dome, now my heart's racing. We grab the bag and then we split. Rocking the driver's seat, my brother pull off. I'm counting these ends, I'm hearing sirens. What else to tell in? I'm ready to go to hell and back. I'm leaning out the window, gripping the Mac. I'm ready to that, no time to look back. The way he's swinging and whipping and flipping through the lanes is quite insane. The sinister look on his face, a dirty game. It's just another tale from the game. Hell, it's just another tale from the game. It's just another tale from the game. Yeah, it's just another tale from the game. It's just another tale from the game. Shit, it's just another tale from the game. It's just another tale from the game. Hell, it's just another tale from the game.
A smiling snicker, we did it, my nigga. The Douglas and Duffers avoided the trouble. Bananas for pandas, banana they handle. I'm a beast, Discovery Channel. Loaded the ammo, turning the Rambo. Super cop, a foolish hero. Told him, no, don't you go. Meet at the top on Bacardi's house. They on our trail, a race of swing. I detonate and heard the bang and switched the cars to left on hollering. The ends, the siren, the cars is filing. Split the cash and burnt the mask. Mimosas toast, we smoking bats. We paid to get them carrots snatched. Enrique chopping that Cadillac. The block is buzzing, they mentioning nothing. We organizing, good support, it's a blind eye. We moving in silence, schooling the pirates, expanding the clients. Playing in fitness, building the muscle. Never dabbing or doing the dugger. We going to work and making it double. Paying the bills for friends and cousins. Killers fainting as lows. Dealers clocking in payroll. I'm still wearing them same clothes. Still fucking them same hoes. Cairo like red nose. Shango like no-go. Need I have to say more? Don't think so. Case closed.
It's just another tale from the game. Hell, it's just another tale from the game. It's just another tale from the game. Yeah, it's just another tale from the game. It's just another tale from the game. Shit, it's just another tale from the game. It's just another tale from the game. Hell, it's just another tale from the game.